already? Okay, yeah, so, I thought I'd do another video, like, you know, because I did one before, about when I found out about going 30 Seconds to Mars. So I'm going to do another one about 30 Seconds to Mars, because Kevin loves to write a journal. So, yeah, I went to 30 Seconds to Mars, and it was amazing, and Jared looked amazing. But see, I got a thing for Tim, the new bassist. It's really nice. Circa Survive are really good, and I'm going to promote them now, and I'm telling you to go on their MySpace, because they are an amazing band. They're absolutely amazing. Now I'm going to see Medina Lake next week in 6 days, and it's like just up the road from me, like 10 minutes, so I'm like, really happy about that. Then My Chem in 8 weeks tomorrow, and I can't wait about that, so yeah. So what else to say now? So yeah, reply back, whatever, you know, say if you're going to My Chem or anything like that, about if you went 30 Seconds to Mars, say about, like, how good you thought it was, everything like that, so yeah. Yeah, so there'll be an update soon, after Medina Lake, which will be next week, so yeah. Oh yeah, check out my pictures and videos from the gig as well. It's in my new gallery that I did, but I can't remember what it's called now. But yeah, okay, so I shall talk to you anytime soon. Bye.